PYEON-UIJEOM. PYEON-UIJEOM. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word PYEON-UIJEOM. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 304. PYEON-UIJEOM. PYEON-UIJEOM. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is pyeon, second syllable is 의, third syllable is jeom. Pronounce it with me. PYEON-UIJEOM. PYEON-UIJEOM. The word PYEON-UIJEOM is a noun which means convenience store. Again, PYEON-UIJEOM is the Korean term for convenience store. How do we write PYEON-UIJEOM in Hangul? It is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable pyeon, we need to draw first a p character followed by the yo character followed by a neon character. For the second syllable 의, we need to draw first a no sound or placeholder iyang followed by an character followed by an e character. For the last syllable jeom, we need to draw first a jiet character followed by an o character followed by a miam character. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these three syllables to form the hangul of the word PYEON-UIJEOM. And with that, you've just learned PYEON-UIJEOM. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 294 to 303. But don't forget our word for today, word number 304, PYEON-UIJEOM, which means convenience store. The first word for our review is 싫어하다. This is a verb which means to hate. Next word for our review is 보지 마요. This is used to say don't cry in Korean. Next word is 맛있어요, which means delicious. The next word for our review is 색, which means color. Next word is 딸기, which means strawberry. Next word is 베프, which means best friend. Next word is 모자, which means hat or cap. Next word for our review is 차이다, which means to be dumped or to be kicked. Next word is 취미, which means hobby. And the last word for our review is 함께, which means together. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.